Your Android phone has a secret hidden menu that gives you access to advanced speed hacks and system controls, but hidden by default. Today, I'll guide you through how to enable developer mode on your Android phone. To get started, open Settings on your Android phone, scroll down to the end and open About Phone. Open Software Information and then tap on build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After tapping this 7 times, a message will pop up that developer mode has been turned on. And to find this menu, go back, then scroll down to the end. You'll find developer options. Open it and you see developer options turned on. Now here, after turning on developer options, you can control your phone depending on your preferences. If you find this video useful, consider to subscribe and like this video.